thiedho wang e od thieth mar Embu level 5 oyudo chiwo mar gige thieth manengone dirom milion 13.6 kowuok kuom riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mar Christian Blind Mission. Kamano bende gige thieth manengogi dirom 10,000 moriwo masinde mag pimo wang', angolo mag somo kod gige timo bero biro chopo od thiethno juma mabiro. Kane orwako gige thiethgo, gavana ma Embu Cecily Mbarire owacho ni chiwo ma kamago biro konyo thieth mar wang' e seche ma nus mar oganda ma kauntino nigi tuoche mag wang'. Kauntino geto pimo 60% mar oganda kod jopuonjre 80% mar jopuonjre duto e kauntino.
The county government of Embu in fulfilling its promise to provide access to equitable health care and well-being for all and ensure the poor and vulnerable get access to high-quality eye health services. It was quite a surprise for me to learn that the prevalence of eye conditions in Embu County is at over 50% at the community level, and I'm happy with the work that is going on at the community level with our development partners so that we can be able to know how deep the problem is and we can be able to save eyesight for people in good time. It is in this accord that we target to screen 268 645 members of the community, which is 60% of the population, and 128 699 of the school-going population of our students. This will involve various interventions, treatment outreaches, and provision of over 3,000 free spectacles to the community and schools. We are also targeting to train at least 20 eye care workers on various fields within eye health, and I think we've already been mentioned that some have already been trained. And I request the people of Embu County at this point to come out and enjoy these improved services.